Welcome back. Now, Windows 10 does have a voice assistant that will help you to operate things on your personal computer. And in order to get access to and to change the settings in the voice assistant, which is also called Cortana, what you're going to do is place your cursor inside of the box, and then you're going to click this gear for the settings. You'll first have a setting where you're going to check to make sure that Cortana can hear your commands. And so you can test this by clicking check the microphone. Now, in order to test your microphone, you are going to have to say yes to this request. If you want to check their privacy statement, you can do that before you go through this process. Windows will then detect any problems with your system. And if there are no problems, you can move on to complete your setup. Now, you can make it so that you can activate Cortana by saying, "Hey Cortana." You can do that by ticking this on. In order to have Cortana respond to you, you're going to have to keep your device from sleeping, so this is going to be on by default. Now, in order to personalize further, you're going to click this link that says, "Learn how I say Hey Cortana." So you're then going to click this link.
I'd be happy to help out with that. As soon as you sign in, I can get started.
So what we're going to do now is we're now going to click Personalize. And what you're going to do is you're going to determine all of the things that Cortana can know about you in these menus that you're scrolling through right now. And so basically, once you've done that, you will then be able to activate Cortana by using the phrase. In this case, we're going to use the phrase that was specified. "Hey Cortana." And once you've done that, you can begin to give Cortana commands in order to do searches as well as operate certain aspects of your personal computer while you're using Windows 10. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.